Good afternoon, guys and teacher. My name is Jenny Paola Delgado Rincon. This is my activity about purchase order. This is my formal email. Good day, John Olarte. Yesterday, I communicated via phone with you to request some of your products. I am going to order some drinks for the Palo Negro Airport VIP lounge. I will ask you to specify the total value with VAT on the invoice. We will agree the payment method after making the purchase. I am going to leave the next week of the city. Any question, please contact my secretary, Valerie, to a number 649-6697. You will have to send me some information to email for the purchase. How many sodas can I order in the month? How much is each soda? How many days the order is delayed? How much is the percentage of the VAT? How much it costs to shipping and handling the product? I am attentive to your prompt response. Best regard, Paola Delgado. This is my purchase order I designed. Company VIP room, address Palo Negro Airport, City Lebrija, Santander, phone 649-6697, fax 648-0000. Day, April 8, 2018, purchase order number 10, vendor Coca-Cola, address Carril 27, number 5630, City Bucaramanga, phone 6497188, fax 6490000. Ship to Paola Delgado, name company VIP room, address Palo Negro Airport, City Lebrija, phone 6496697. Payment method, credit to 15 days. Brand Coca-Cola, name of product original flavor, quantity 500, size small, total 500. Coca-Cola sugar free, 350, small, total 350. Coca-Cola with sugar and stevia, quantity 150, size 6 small, total 150. Sprite 350, small, total 350. 4 grapefruit, quantity 200, size small, total 200. Water brisa with gas, 350, small, total 350. Brisa with gas big, 150, total 150. Water brisa without gas, 350, small, and 150 big. Total 2,550. Comments or special instruction. If you have any question about this purchase order, please contact Paola Delgado, phone number 649-6697. Thanks, teacher. Bye.